guys, it's me Kenny, and today I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. So, first, I use this app called Video Editor. You can't really see. Here, over there. So I click on it, and I would do create a video, and would pick one video, and today I will be picking my gymnastics video, and I select my clip, and you can see mine there, and I want to so I mixed up, so let me go back here. I select the video and press, oops. After I select the, one video or more, like here I select one, you can select more videos. And I'm just going to select one right now. So I'm going to select that one, and I pick go, no play, and I want to have music. So I want to have a catchy music, so I will pick this music, which is kind of catchy. Yeah, and I will put it down. I'll just adjust the music plus, and then I would not, this would be too much of a music, so I would make the music about 3%. The music 3% in the video much more louder, and I'll press OK and go back.
Yeah, okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel's favorite.
Oh, somehow I can't hear anything. So let me try again.
Yeah, okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel's favorite.
I think the video is too loud, so I'll make it a bit loud. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel's favorite. Okay. Yeah.
So maybe I'll make the music a little louder. Just a little. 20%. And okay. And back.
Yeah, okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel's favorite. Okay. Yeah.
So I'll just watch it through.
There we go. Pause. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So that's it, and I'll just run it through again. So, and I would place save and then upload to YouTube, and then it would just upload, and I just have to wait to upload to YouTube so I can post it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.